ME200 ring grinder is a laboratory type grinder used for fine grinding. Mining, chemicals, glass, fertilizer and etc. are used for analysis in many industry organizations. There are two different size milling sets in the machine, 100mm and 250mm. We are going to be grinding with a 100mm set here. We put the material to be grinded into the grinding bowl and we close the lid. We place the grinding bowl in its housing. And we are locking the compression lever down. The grinding cup is locked on the unit. We are closing the machine top cover, so the switch will be turned off. It should be noted here that if the top cover is not closed, the device will not turn off as the switch will not shut down. There is a touch screen on the unit. Programming is done by entering the time and the speed from the screen. The duration of the grinding session is entered in seconds via the panel, as in the example, 60 seconds. As shown in the example, enter the operating speed 1300 and press enter button, and then start the device by pressing the start button. The red warning light lights up when the grinding is over. It is possible to grind the desired micron level by entering the different speed and time values to the machine.